Welcome back. This is your host Zahir, and we are still on our food hunt in the mountains. As you well know, last episode we tried the very delicious yak meat, and we are still in Passu. This is a Passu food behind me, and I was in the mood for some dessert. So I heard there's a place right across the road from the yak grill that makes a delicious kind of treat for us. The thing I'm talking about is the apricot cake of the Glacier Breeze restaurant right behind me. There's the glacier water coming from the Passu Glacier, and over there up the stairs is the Glacier Breeze restaurant. So let's go try it out. Now let's go try the actual thing that we are here for today. Assalamualaikum. ठीक ठाक है सर, हम बहुत दूर से आए हैं और हमने सुना कि आप यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही लजीज एप्रिकॉट केक तैयार करते हैं और बहुत यूनिक चीज़ है हुंजा के बारे में, वो तो हम वो ट्राई करने आए हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. The place where the very famous apricot cake is made, and अब ये हमें बताएंगे कि हम क्या क्या ingredients यहाँ पे इस्तेमाल होते हैं हमारे पास.
ये हमारे ऑर्गेनिक एप्रिकॉट खुबानी है. ये हमारा इससे जूस है, इसी एप्रिकॉट से जूस हमने तैयार किया. ये फिर सेल्फ राइजिंग फ्लावर आटा, फिर मैं इसको ये बेकिंग शामिल करके ये सेल्फ राइजिंग फ्लावर बनती है, यानी मैदा आटा बन गया. फिर ये अंडा
और साथ में अंडे भी डालते हैं
क्योंकि इसमें हम शुगरलेस थोड़ा सा
main ingredients of this apricot cake is of course the very organic apricot, and then the juice is extracted out of those apricots, and then using eggs and flour, a self-rising flour like the chef told us, he has created this paste, and now he's gonna put it in the oven presumably, and then it's gonna be ready in 20 minutes. 20 minutes.
मैं शेफ ऑनर इस रेस्टोरेंट सेरिना वालों के साथ काफ़ी अर्सा काम किया, फिर पीसी रावलपिंडी में काफ़ी काम किया और वहाँ पे प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग भी चले आशु फाउंडेशन की तरफ से. उसको ज्वाइन किया फूड प्रोडक्शन का सेरिना के लेवल से, पीसी के लेवल से, वो यहाँ भी जल्दी मिला. फिर मैंने चूज़ किया लोकल प्रोडक्ट्स.
Our apricot cake is ready, and now we're going to take it out of the oven. Just look at that. Wow, look at the color. Amazing. And now we are going to cut it and have a piece because I just cannot wait. So moist, just melts in your mouth. I mean, if you don't need sugar to make this tasty food, I guess then you don't need sugar at all. And the good thing about it is, this is the kind of dessert you can eat all day and still gain no weight, because it's all healthy natural sugars. Well, there's our chai, and we're gonna have some more cake. Now, like I told you, there's a lot of benefits to this specific kind of apricot cake. As you can see, it's very moist. It melts really well in the mouth. So that's the kind of dessert that you love. And there's also some apricots in there, as you can see. So it's full of flavor, full of the rich apricot taste, the aroma that one might expect from it. Now, if I were to give it a score out of 10, I would definitely give it an 11. So while we are trying our apricot cake, let me tell you the story of this restaurant, the Glacier Breeze restaurant. It started about 20 years ago, and that they turned in towards the local innovation and local production, like the chef mentioned before. So this Glacier Breeze restaurant also has some other delights for you, some other local foods and some other local innovations that they have brought that you have to try. So if you come here next time, I do recommend trying them out. For example, they make the Hunza chicken curry, they make the Hunza apricot chicken. Wow. They make Hunza dry fruit rice. They make Hunza pie, also called chap choro. It's a piece of bread stuffed with chicken and some other herbs. There's galmandi, there's molida, and there's the gral. Gral, which is like the local kind of pancake here. They've been making it here for a while. So all these Hunza cuisine you can find here at this restaurant, the Glacier Breeze restaurant. And I do recommend coming here and trying as many of them as you can. And we will meet you in the next episode.